Welcome to Coordinate Geometry Part 29. In this part, we are going to solve two problems. Its theory already discussed in the previous part. Then also, once again, I want to discuss it. If two lines are there, just a minute, revise it. If two lines are there, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, equation of bisectors of the angle between these two lines are a1x plus b1y plus c1 by root under a1 square plus b1 square equal to plus minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 by root under a2 square plus b2 square. These are the equation of bisectors. We also read if a1 b1 plus a2 b2, if this is positive, then this plus sign will gives you equation of the bisectors, equation of the bisector of the angle which is obtuse. If this is greater than 0, plus sign will gives you the bisector of obtuse angle between these two. ये दोनों के बीच जो obtuse angle है उसका bisector होगा ये plus वाला. This we have already read. And negative will be bisector of equit, and if this is negative, then plus will gives you the bisector of equit angle between these two. ये अगर पॉजिटिव है तो प्लस ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल का बाइसेक्टर होगा और माइनस इक्विट एंगल का बाइसेक्टर, और ये अगर नेगेटिव हो गया तो फिर ये प्लस इक्विट एंगल का बाइसेक्टर होगा और माइनस ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल का बाइसेक्टर होगा. This we already discussed in the previous video. In this video, let us see two problems are there based on these results only. Okay. See first question. What is there? First of all, let us solve this. ये पहले solve करते फिर इसको solve करेंगे. Question is, find the bisector of the equit angle between the line this and this. Your given lines are x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 and 7x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. These are the two lines. Okay. Find the bisector of the equit angle between these two. ये दोनों के बीच में एक एंगल अगर इक्विट है तो दूसरा ऑब्ट्यूस होगा, तो इक्विट एंगल का बाइसेक्टर चाहिए. वी फाइंड a1 b1 प्लस a2 b2. ये चीज आप निकालिए पहले. ये पॉजिटिव आ रहा है या नेगेटिव वो देखिए. लेट अस फाइंड इट. व्हाट इज a1 b1? हियर इट इज a1x प्लस b1y. सो a1 इज 1, b1 इज आल्सो 1. Plus a2 b2, a2x plus b2y, so a2 is 7 and b2 is minus 1. This minus 1 is your b2. So what will come? 1 minus 7, that is minus 6, which is negative. Okay. If this comes positive, then plus sign gives the bisector of obtuse angle. Okay. And if this is negative, then plus sign gives the bisector of equit angle. Here what is required? Find the bisector of equit angle. So what will be bisector of equit angle? The plus sign. Plus sign will gives you bisector of equit angle because this is coming negative. Therefore, you will write equation of the bisector of acute angle. Is will be this x plus y minus 3 by root under 1 square plus 1 square equal to, we have to take plus sign. The second equation, this one, 7x minus y plus 5 by root under 7 square plus this minus 1 square, that is 1. This will gives you equation of bisector of acute angle. You can simplify it. ये रूट 50 इधर मल्टीप्लाई होगा और ये रूट 2 इधर मल्टीप्लाई कीजिएगा. लेट मी सी द आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट. ओके, यू विल सिंप्लीफाई इट. ये जो 50 आएगा ना, इसको आप लिखिएगा 5 into 10, 5 in 49 and 150. Okay, then 50 50 can be written as 5 into 10, 25 into 2. इसको ऐसे लिख लीजिएगा, उसको सिंप्लीफाई कीजिएगा. ये हो जाएगा 25 into 2, so 5 root 2. इसको ऐसा कीजिएगा 5 root 2 into this x plus y minus 3 equal to, this is root 2 into 7x minus y plus 5. ये root 2 काट दीजिएगा. Now you can get the equation. Whatever come after simplifying, that will gives you the answer. हम आंसर लिख दे रहे हैं. Answer will come 6x plus 2y. Answer will come finally 6x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. This will be equation of the bisector of acute angle. इसको simplify कर लेंगे ना, simplify कीजिएगा, ये आ जाएगा. So in this way we can find equation of bisector of acute angle. अब इसको देखें. Now come to this question. Question is, find the equation of the bisector of obtuse angle between the line. You will write simply, given lines are, what are the given lines? 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 and 12x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. So we find here same a1 b1 plus a2 b2. ये चीज निकालेंगे. This is positive or negative, that we have to see first of all. a1 b1, here a1 is 3, b1 is minus 4 plus a2, here a2 is 12 and b2 is 5. Okay, so this is minus 12 plus 60. Okay, then 10 minus 2 8, here 5 minus 1 4, so it will gives you plus sign, plus 48, so it is coming positive. If a1 b1 plus a2 b2 comes positive, then plus sign will gives you the bisector of obtuse angle and minus will be the bisector of acute angle. This we already read. So what will be the equation of bisector of obtuse angle? Therefore equation of the bisector of obtuse angle is 3x minus 4y plus 7 by root under 3 square plus minus 4 square equal to plus will gives you the bisector of obtuse angle, plus this 12x plus 5y minus 2 by root under 12 square 144 plus 25 square 25. This will be 169, its root 13 and this is 25, so 5. So you will take cross multiplication, and after taking cross multiplication you will get the required equation. Answer will come 21x plus 77y, सिंप्लीफाई कीजिएगा इतना आ जाएगा, minus 101. This will be the required equation of the bisector of obtuse angle between the line this and this. So I hope you have understood how to find equation of the bisector of obtuse angle as well as equation of the bisector of equitangle between two given lines. So in this video keep this much. In the next video we want to discuss foot of perpendicular drawn from a given point on a given line. Foot of perpendicular, image of a given point, these things will be discussed in the next videos. So in this video this much. Thank you for watching.